I must have hit mute by accident. I'm so sorry. So sorry. I'm not even gaslighting. Actually thought you were. Actually thought you were. Okay. W, here we go. It's easier to wait. It's easier to find which. ERTY. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. P. Dump the caps on the desk. You know what though? I've got all the purple ones in there too though, and then I'm gonna have to clean everything up. So that's why I'm picking through for the I'm picking through for the non purple ones just because I'm gonna have to get them all. I thought my headphones were screwing out. I'm so sorry. Jaron, I got a suggestion for your Discord server name, the G Spot. Oh my god, that's actually pretty good. It's ridiculous, but it's actually pretty good. I will consider it. I will consider it. Except keep in mind too that the server is mostly for dispatch and not for geo. Welcome to the G-Stop. Took you long enough to find it. Oh my gosh. That's like, it writes itself. How can I be missing out on this? How can I be avoiding this, honestly? That's actually dumb. This is a family stream? Yeah, exactly. Was it ever really a family stream, though? Okay. Oh, kind of right. Okay, let's do these ones. We're going to end up with... Oh, hang on. We'll see what... I think we'll probably do like pink... we'll do like pink arrows or something, though. Here in the G-Spot, we'll dispatch all you. I'm glad you guys love it. That's what I'll say. I'm glad you guys love it. We'll have to make a room. Maybe we'll just make one of the rooms. We'll call it the G-Spot. So here's a bit of trivia. This was one of the few kits I had where I had 2 bees. So I used these bees in my Instagram post with the limo size comparison. And I used both of the bees from Future Funk. And I used the white keycaps as well. Little trivia for you. One thing that I was a little bit upset about with Future Funk was that the alphas didn't come through as really like purple. They came through kind of as black. And I kind of wanted them to be purple. You know, to kind of match the rest of the set. And they like kind of did, but not super. They kind of did, but not super, you know? Oh my god, Teja. Wait, what? Future Funk is so good. I love Future Funk, actually. Wait, those are backwards. Oh, wait, no, they're not. Oh, that sounds good. Everyone else said this keyboard sounded very, very good, and oh, hang on. We probably should use the other... Probably should use the other, whatchamacallit. Oops, didn't I have the last arrow? Maybe not. I thought I had alt-colored arrows. I like the way Elvin had to specify. I'm not even gaslighting because like so often he is gaslighting. Gio, do you think the clackbit stem would fit into a Cherry MX housing with 18mm springs? I'm not sure, but we can test that out if you'd like. And then I can tell you. I have clackbits here. And they are indeed clacky as all hell. If you're not sure if they're clacky, let me give you the spoiler alert here. The answer is hells yes. Hell's yes is the answer. Okay, like so. And now what we need is, we need that R1, goodness. Do I have the where is it? 4, 3, 2. I was hoping to have the, I was hoping to find the tilde. There, this one. Yes. That is the way. My goodness, imagine not having both sets. Oh my God, that would be so frustrating to me. To have that asymmetry of like what is going on either side. Okay, so now what is this configured to, just so I can make it go the same way? So sorry. Okay. Oh, yours will arrive this week. Okay, well then there you go. Not immediately necessary then. Oh, hang on. Let me open this up. Plug that back in. 0 foam so far, Jason. So, what did they say? Page up, page down. Page up, page down, and page up. And delete. Page up, page down, and somehow I feel like that's not the right delete. That is also not the right delete. Maybe hitting the encoder option. You know what? I thought so as well, Tunnel, but it didn't work. Another benefit, in my opinion, to this is... Oh, hang on a sec. Another benefit to having the full kit is that you can actually use all dark F keys, which is, for me, just awesome. Because you really get the alphas framed nicely, and that's something that I think looks really good. None. It says backspace, which is not supposed to be, but that's okay. Okay. All right. Okay. That's an escape key. There's supposed to be a taller delete, which I don't have. Oops. Or it could be just hidden in the abyss of keys. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's Resident Handsome. Oh my gosh, it's Wrongs Dongs. What is up, Wrong Dongs? Oh my. That screen is pretty nice. The animation's a little bit chunky, but it's not touchscreen, is it? Oh my gosh, it is. Maybe not. No, it just detected. It's just when I touched it, it went to USB. Okay, let's go to some monkey typing. Let's pause the music. Let us open monkey type. Let's see. Perfect. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna have to fix what's going on with the space bar, because it's not set up for the right the right layout. So let's see about the layout. Zoom. If I say zoom and split space, I don't think this works though. Let's see. No, could be that the keycap is actually just having a, or the switch is having a problem. Let's see. Okay. So much love. The best kind of love? Yes. Okay, so if we take this out, man, that is a bright light. And we take this out, and we'll pop this off. Benefits of hot swap. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a switch. It's just the switch is a problem. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Charging light, yes. Let's see. Okay, shut down this. I'm having a problem. Let's see. Key tester. All right. Let's see. Is the H key also having a problem? The H key is also having a problem. Okay. How is this so... That is a bend I have never seen before in a switch pin. It went off to the side. That is incredible. Okay, one more time. You love that shirt? Yo, Nico, that's amazing. I love that you love it. Let us put the... Let us see what we can get here. So, key sounds, design. This should say zoom. And go back here. And... Oh, control, that's correct. Okay, so that's good, that's good, that's good. So this one we need to make, so we have to go back to the layout. And these are supposed to both be whatever. Test matrix, yes. Good, 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 good. Okay, we said we're okay with the enter key not being in. That's good. These two are good. This is good. And the space is no good. Okay, hang on. Let's see. Space is good. Okay, so backspace and the backspace and the whatever spacebar are both having a problem when the test matrix is lit up. So that's okay. In the meantime, I feel like we can probably still do a test. Close this. Bring this back up. I love melody switches, you guys. They're so good. Okay, this board also sounds better than it deserves to. So what the hell is going on? Let's talk for a second. Let's just chat with each other for a second. I had a few problems. Let's be honest. I had a few problems. Actually, the assembly of the board was the least of my troubles. The biggest issue was actually some of the PCB JSON file stuff. So we'll have to see. Okay, let's discuss this like civilized people. Okay. Tyler, I see you. Let us do a type test, shall we? Oh yeah, and PCB and firmware stuff, you guys, that is not even something to be worried about with a prototype, because it's the kind of thing that's like you just do it in software. It's not a problem. Okay, I have to find it's maybe just a Mellectrix issue. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so this is the way the board is currently set up. I don't know if this light turns off when it's charged, but we'll say yes for now. Let us do the typing test. Here we go. Oops. Whew. No foam. No foam. No foam. That sounds damn good. You guys, that sounds damn good. Every sound test, dude, so Punk, there's going to be extras. Every sound test that we've heard of this, I got to tell you, across, like, this is not a me thing. Every streamer that's built one, it sounds good. So I got to tell you, who's giving me the push-up form criticism? Who was it? We got to do some more push-ups tonight. I gotta redeem. Plus the big screen. Plus it sounds good. Plus check this out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this keyboard. Look at that. Future Funk looks nice, by the way. What was the build config? This is Wuche Studios stabs on no foam with melody switches and GMK Future Funk. Close so early, I didn't get you snag one. There are going to be extras next week. No, Jason, I didn't. This is with melodies, man. This is with melodies, man. It's just like, it's just good. It's just good. The board sounds nice. It's really dense. So this is what I will say. The PCB is too flexy, but a little bit tape. You could put in actually a little bit of, you could put the mid-plate foam, so between the PCB and the plate, you'd stiffen it up just a little bit. And I got to tell you, with as deep as it sounds, you're probably not going to affect the sound of it all that much. Yeah, it just sounds good. It just sounds really good, you guys. This is fantastic. Like I said, you got a little. Oh, hang on. Let me just see what happens with caps lock here. Via. I'm curious what happens with caps lock. Future Sound, dude. Future Funk. I really like Future Funk. Personally, if it were my board, I'd probably go full purple, but chat wanted white with purple, so we did the white. So let me go to layer 1. Deep sleep. No, would not do that. Get rid of that. I don't know what that is. This should be caps lock. Win mode, Mac mode. Interesting. BT123. Oh, cool. Out USB. Don't know what that is either. Let's get rid of that because it's freaking me out. Lamp test. Lamp test. Okay, cool. Let's go back to closing this for a sec. And